Wait, why does it look like it has a screen on top? This is actually Ulexite, a natural mineral packed with thousands of tiny crystals that acts like fiber optic cables. When light enters each fiber, it bounces along the inside through total internal reflection. That's when light hits the boundary at just the right angle and stays trapped instead of escaping. Since every fiber carries light upward, the mineral delivers image from the bottom to the top, almost like a miniature display. That's why it's sometimes called TV rock.